peppers contain an active compound called capsaicin, which gives them their spicy flavor. Some research suggests that capsaicin may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which could potentially be beneficial for overall health. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's commonly used to alleviate digestive issues and reduce nausea. Some studies have indicated that ginger may have potential anti-cancer properties and could contribute to overall wellness. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Antioxidants are generally considered beneficial for health and may have a positive impact on the immune system. Ingredients: chili pepper, ginger, lemon. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.